Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Rob's Auto Detail. In today's detail, I did a headlight restoration here. I showed you guys a little bit of the beginning, the process. And I wanted to show you guys this headlight coating that comes with the Mequiar'S heavy duty headlight restoration. So I just got done hitting this right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply this so we can see the difference. These were heavily oxidized. I'll try to show a picture of before. But I went on and did the 400, 1000, 2000 and 3000 grit paper, and it looks pretty good as it is already. But I'm gonna go ahead and do one more step further, and that is applying this, which is the final process in the heavy duty from Mequiar'S heavy duty headlight restoration kit. You could just leave it like this or apply like a synthetic wax, like the ultimate liquid wax, or you can apply this, and we're gonna go ahead and see how this works right now. I know in my other videos I've done the headlight restorations, and I don't really show this process too in depth, so we're gonna go ahead and use this. So I'll give it a tiny little shake. I'm pretty sure you can find this online. I haven't seen this at the big box stores sold as by itself, but I'm pretty sure you can get some of this, or maybe even something similar like AutoZone or a different auto parts store. So let's go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and apply some of this. They do give you a little pad. They give you this little pad right here. If this thing gets used up, I'm pretty sure you can get like a tensile, one of those tensils to paint. It's kind of like a foamy little applicator. So let's go ahead and open this up. Sorry guys, I couldn't find the tripod today, so you guys are gonna just bear with me right here. So I'm gonna try to do this single-handedly, because I did lose that tripod. It seems to that tripod seems to want to just get lost around the house. So I'm gonna go ahead and put I don't know, we'll do like 3 drops, maybe 4. Spilled something right there. So I'll go ahead and start here at the top. Hopefully I can get the right angle. Sorry guys, hopefully you guys can see this. It's kind of getting kind of messy because I'm doing it single-handedly. There we go. So then you just let it dry. You want to go up and down just like how I did. Now I don't know if you guys can see that, but if you're not careful you can get like a little line. This just makes it a little, it makes it a little bit more clear. So I don't know, it makes it look a lot more clear, guys, in my opinion. You could, like I said, you could go with a wax, a synthetic wax, or you can use this stuff. I'm kind of experimenting with this stuff right now. Let me know what you guys think. Have you guys used this? How do you guys apply it? Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other headlight next. Alright, now this headlight is more in like the sun area, so maybe you guys can see like a difference in the camera right here. So I'm gonna go left, right, pick it up, left, right again, left, right again, I mean right, left, I'm sorry. And the final pass right here. It's kind of hard to get into this little corner right here. Just kind of smear it down. just like that. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but it leaves like a, you can see the little markings from the little sponge. Let me try to, maybe if I go another pass. Just like that. I think that made it a little worse. I don't know, we'll see. We'll come over to this side, see if it disappears. This side came out a little bit better than the other side. Alright guys, there you have it. That's the final result. So you just want to just leave it there and let it dry. It looks pretty nice, pretty crystal. It does give it a more clear view as opposed to just leaving it. Now that's the sunny side part of the card. Let me come over here to the shaded area. There you can see it. That little line that I was talking about, you can barely see it. You really have to just get in there and kind of be like real detailed about it and see if you can see the line. But it seems to be fading away. But so what this will do is prevent your headlights from any future oxidation. So you did all this work and you want to go ahead and protect it with something. So this will do the job. It's not that hard to apply, like I said, and it makes it look a lot better. Let me come over here to this side. So yeah, that little line, just as soon as it starts drying, you can start seeing that little haze, the little line go away. The camera probably can't even pick it up. You really, like I said, you really have to get in there and kind of be picky about it. So there you have it, guys. Go ahead and give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like these. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys on the next video.